Okay, here's how to make the bass pump with the kick drum in Ableton Live very, very quickly. So this is the effect we're going for. As opposed to if it's off. And then on. Okay, so here's how we're going to do it. I'm going to delete that compressor. So here we have the drum loop, it's just a 4 kick, and then here we have the MIDI lead line here. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go to Audio Effects, double click on my compressor. I'm going to click this little triangle to expand this. I'm going to enable sidechain. I'm going to take the input from the drum kit. So this could be anywhere, any channel. Enable a EQ, the low pass, drop my EQ to around 100. I'm going to put the Q up, the ratio up, the attack down, and the release to around 100. And then it's just a matter of bringing the threshold down. So let's listen to that. Now you can play with these settings if you like, but this is usually where I start off with. And notice here on the third channel we have a hi-hat. And if I click on the channel with the synth, I can just click on that, copy it, paste it on the hi-hat channel, and now we have those same settings here. Okay, I hope that helps. If you make something fire, let me know.